Welcome back with a 2.7 magnitude earthquake that 45 kilometers or 27.9 miles south-southwest of Rachel, Nevada. Happened at 8:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, depth of 7.1 kilometers. If you happen to have felt this earthquake, let me know in the comment section below. And from where? Appears to be just southwest of Bald Mountain. And yeah, something over here just caught my eye. Okay, something very interesting for sure. It's very blurred too. But yeah, that does seem to be it for right now. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.